How to fix Meta AI chat option not showing on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can solve this particular problem. For this, just simply open up your Play Store or App Store, then update your WhatsApp to the latest version. After that, you should be able to see the Meta AI. In case if Meta AI is still not there, then just simply open up the settings of your phone and scroll down till you are able to see the option of apps. Then open up the option of manage apps, then search for WhatsApp. Open up, and here you get the option of storage. Simply click on it. Then you would be able to find the option of cache memory. Simply click on it or click on clear data, then clear up the cache memory of your WhatsApp. Don't clear up the user data or any other data, otherwise you will lose all the chats on your WhatsApp. So just simply remove the cache memory and update your WhatsApp. This way this problem will be solved forever, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.